Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make croissant dough at home using an easy method. First, gather your essential ingredients: all-purpose flour, very cold unsalted butter, water, active dry yeast, and a touch of sugar. The quality of your butter is key, so make sure it's firm and chilled. Begin by activating your yeast in warm water with a small amount of sugar, letting it bloom for about 5 minutes until foamy. This ensures your dough will rise beautifully. Next, combine your flour and salt in a large bowl. Pour in the activated yeast mixture and mix until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead it gently for just a few minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Avoid overworking the dough. Once kneaded, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for the dough's texture and manageability. Now comes the lamination, which creates those wonderful flaky layers. Roll your chilled dough into a large rectangle, roughly 3 times the size of your butter block. Place the cold butter block in the center, then fold the dough over it, sealing all edges to enclose the butter completely. Gently roll it out again, fold it into thirds like a letter, and chill. Repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times, chilling the dough for 30 minutes between each turn. Finally, it's time to shape and bake your croissants. Roll the laminated dough to a thickness of about 3 millimeters. Cut the dough into long triangles, then gently stretch each triangle and roll it from the wide base towards the point to form the classic croissant shape. Let them proof in a warm place until visibly puffy, about 1.5 to 2 hours. Bake until golden brown and enjoy your homemade, flaky croissants. Don't forget to check the description for the Oala water bottle link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.